Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Excel attendance sheet. First, open a new Excel workbook. You'll want to set up your basic structure by labeling columns for names, dates, and attendance status. Proper formatting of these cells will make data entry much smoother and more efficient for you, saving time and reducing mistakes. Next, populate the top row with the specific dates you need to track. A helpful tip is to use the weekday function to automatically identify and mark weekend days. Then, apply conditional formatting to visually highlight these non-working days, making your attendance sheet much easier to read at a glance. Now, let's focus on marking attendance. You can use simple codes, such as P for present or A for absent, in the daily cells. To speed up this process and ensure consistency, create a drop-down list for each cell. This data validation step helps prevent errors and keeps your sheet tidy and professional. Finally, let's summarize your attendance data. You can easily calculate the total number of present or absent days for each person using functions like COUNTIF or COUNTA. Creating a small summary table will give you quick insights into overall attendance trends, making your sheet a powerful and informative tool for tracking.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.